Hey guys, my name is Scott Mooney. I am a rider for the Black Label Racing Program here in Bozeman, Montana. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom fender for your enduro bike. The things you're going to need are an old fender, some adhesive, a few zip ties, some scotch tape or packing tape, scissors, and some zip tie snips. I'm going to be using Annie's mac and cheese box to make my fender look nice. First step is taking the cardboard or whatever you're using to use as your decal and make it so it's large enough to fit over the fender. So once you do that, kind of lay it out flat here. Make sure that the fender will fit within the constraints of the material that you're using. The next step after that is then taking the spray adhesive and spraying that on the back side of the cardboard or whatever you're using there. And to do that, all you gotta do is shake the adhesive up and spray it out. So then this is the most important part after you got that adhesive on there, is lining it up how you want it to show on your fender. So for me, I just want to have the Annie's logo right dead center. So looking at that there, lay it down, and then you flip it over and press this in. You can take your scissors or utility knife, also works, and you're just going to want to cut around the edge of the fender there, following the profile all the way around. Okay, so once you're done cutting the cardboard off the exterior there, you'll have this face all covered up, but because this is cardboard, you need to kind of waterproof that a little bit. So that's where this scotch tape comes in. This is just standard 2-inch packing tape. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna start in the center and work your way out. So what I do is I start on one side, do like a 2-inch wrap over the back. So you plaque it on there, wrap the back side a little bit there, then pull it, stretch it all the way down. Make sure you press it in flat. That's not getting any little air bubbles in there. You're gonna wrap the back side just a little bit and then cut that. You're just gonna wanna continue to do that, overlapping the tape a little bit every time, just to get a full seal on the piece. Obviously you can see there's excess tape going on there, so go back around with a pair of scissors or a knife and trim all that off. Once you finish this the trimming of the tape there, you have kind of your finished product there, but all you got to do now is you got to punch the holes for where the zip ties go through so you can mount it to your bike. I'm actually just going to use like a 2mm Allen key and just punch each hole out. Once you have these holes punched in it, your next step is to then mount it on the bike using just a few zip ties. All right, so there you got your fender all ready to go. Slide it into position on your bike there, and then all you gotta do is finish putting the zip ties on. Once you got those zip ties nice and tight, grab some just little snips and snip all your zip tie ends, and there you go. There you have it, guys. Go take her out and rip and enjoy the trails. Once again, huge thanks to We Are One for all the support this year. I'm stoked to keep it going. Let's ride.